and welcome to this arm toning dance workout to Babymonster Sugar Honey Iced Tea. If you want more Babymonster, be sure to check out my Patreon linked up here. We have 100 K-pop exclusive dance workouts out now when you become a patron member, including exclusive workouts to Babymonster I Like It and a 30-minute longer form mashup. Alright, let's get dancing!
Who be sipping on this? I do. I'm the. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. Ice, 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 and you know that I'm the coldest. I'm the sugar honey, I'm the sugar honey. I'm sweet just like some ice cream, milk chocolate icing. My life looks like a pipe dream. I know, I'm so enticing. I make 'em lime green, temperature rising. Let's go. 난 부드럽게 너를 녹여버리지. Stop, make no mistake. Hit the stage, baby, in the same drop. I'm going in, 우리 무대 위에 queen on. It's the melody. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. Ain't no other baby like me, yeah, you know it. I'm the sugar honey, I'm the sugar honey iced. Sugar mama, don't do the drama, just add the comments like yeah. You wanna the prima donna, got the wrist the water that yeah. Tell me what you know about this. When I get like me, you wish. Comes naturally, I know the matter me, cause they know I'm that. I'm sweet just like some ice cream, milk chocolate icing. My life look like a pipe dream. I know, I'm so enticing. I make 'em lime green, temperature rising. Let's go. 난 부드럽게 너를 녹여버리지. Stop, make no mistake. Hit the stage, baby, in the same drop. I'm going in, 우리 무대 위에 queen run. It's the melody. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. I'm the sugar honey iced tea, and you know it. Ain't no other better like me, yeah, you know it. I'm the sugar honey I'm the sugar honey iced. Tasty, yeah, I got you coming back. Crazy, I give you a heart attack. Baby, tell me what you think about that. What you think about that? I'm the sugar honey iced tea, you know it. Sugar honey, I'm the sugar honey iced tea, you know it. Sugar honey, I'm the sugar honey iced tea. Sugar honey iced tea. Sugar honey iced tea. I'm the sugar honey, I'm the sugar honey iced tea.
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want more just like that, be sure to check out my Patreon link right here. We have an exclusive arm toning workout to Babymonster I Like It and a longer form 30-minute mashup out now. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.